Alright guys, this is Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge in the beautiful Dominican Republic. At my new location, this is the first Jamaican restaurant on the island, Authentic. I just had a brother here he's Jamaican and he lives in Canada. And he's given me some compliment about the food. I really am shocked. So I need you guys to hear what he have to say. What's your name, brother?
My friends call me Mello.
Mello, his name is Mello. Where you from, brother?
Canada, Toronto.
And you're Jamaican?
That's right.
All right, so I want you to explain to the folks what you just said. You talk about the flavor in your mouth and all that. I can't put it into your words, it's your word.
The jerk seasoning, the authenticity of it is on a level that only a Jamaican, somebody from home who has built this thing from scratch.
Yes, and I do it from scratch.
Can taste
The flavor.
the pimento,
Wow.
the basil leaf.
Wow, it's for real, I put all that in there.
All of those different things, you can taste them.
Thank you.
Other jerk seasonings, you get a seasoning and you get a seasoning that you like,
Yeah.
but you don't have an abundance of
Flavor. Ah,
flavor from the seasoning.
yes,
After eating,
yes.
it's like there's a party in your mouth.
Oh, shit.
Everybody's invited.
Oh my God, yeah, that's what I had to get
It's not
online.
a joke. It's not a joke.
Wow.
It's very good. I would call it craft jerk seasoning.
Oh my,
Designer
jerk seasoning. Oh wow.
I explained to Mosha, if there's anything else you do in this whole entire world, and it's jerk seasoning, make sure you do that. Because
Thank you.
Grace Seasoning,
Yeah,
Grace
what I'm,
Company,
yeah, can't do nothing upon this.
no, they can't.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Right? You can taste the work that was put into it.
That's right.
It took a long. I can tell because of the way that the way the flavors
Yes.
are like the flavors.
Ven,
the
come.
flavors combust.
Ajá.
Right, so I can
Yo
tell.
tengo una pregunta para ti, mami.
I can tell it took a long time
Yes.
to figure out how much seasoning you want.
Right.
From
How
what
I want it.
seasoning you don't want.
Yes.
From what seasoning you want.
Oh, nice. Thank you, baby. Gracias.
Right.
Uh-huh.
From what seasoning you want.
Yes.
It's very good.
Thank you, my friend.
I'm quite delighted.
Yes.
I'm quite delighted by your food. And I thank you very much.
You know what? You're welcome. I was gonna just serve him the food, let him go, but when he started talking, guys, I had to get him on because he's one of the family of victims that I have of my food. And so I am so happy. When he said to me, it's like the flavors having a party in his mouth, I said, I have to get this on camera. And this beautiful young lady is Paula. Paula, diga hello. This is Paula. She's very shy and she's working with me. Say hello, Paula. She don't speak too much. She don't speak too much English. So I'm trying to get her out of being so shy. You know what I mean? Because she's a little shy and she don't speak a lot of English, but she's learning English. And I want her to open up. So I'm putting her on the video, let her sit next to you while you're talking. So Paula, diga algo, baby. Diga algo. Paula.
There is nothing for you to be shy about. I know you don't understand.
Yeah, but say it in English anyway.
There's nothing for you to be shy about.
Él dice,
One,
ese nada para
you
ti
are
tiene temor.
bonita, very beautiful.
Él dice, tú eres muy linda.
Two,
To us,
everybody is happy. You're happy too, so everybody's gonna like you.
él
Just
dice,
be confident.
él dice, todo el mundo feliz y ellos te quieren, ellos no va a tener problema contigo también, para tú es linda. Dice, no tiene temor, ¿ok? Pero sí, rí y
Beautiful smile too.
él dice, tu rí es muy linda, ¿ok? Diga algo, mi amor, en inglés.
Algo.
Diga algo en inglés.
Algo.
No, otra cosa. En inglés.
How are you?
Ah, there you go. See? Gracias. How are you? Okay, so this is Paula. She's my little muñeca. I call my little muñeca and she helps me out here. But yes, guys, so this gentleman surprised me the heck out of me with this food. And I had to, because he was so sincere. After he finished eating, he kept on complimenting me. And I'm stressing it because I want you guys to know that what I'm doing is serious. It's not no
Party
joke.
got done. It's
One
still
love.
going on in my mouth.
He say the party's still going on in his mouth.
Party's